An OPG is a panoramic view X-ray which displays all the teeth of the upper and lower jaw on a single film. Upon entering the OPG room, you will see the in use sign. This means the OPG has been used and is ready to be cleaned. First, wipe over the door handles. Then, work your way over to the machine, wiping every part that would have been touched during the X-ray. The screen, control switches, handlebars, paddles, and chin rest. Also wipe over the blue chair, assuming the patient may have used it.
The mouthpiece does not need to be cleaned as it is completely removed and replaced with a clean one for each new patient. Once the room has been wiped over, you can take the mouthpiece to the sterilisation room and place it in the cold steri. Remove your gloves and complete hand hygiene. Make sure to go back and change the sign over so you know the room is ready.